If you're tired of bloated operating systems and want something fast, stable, and customizable, you might be wondering, which is better, CachyOS or Bazzite? One focuses on maximum performance, while the other delivers effortless gaming and stability. So let's dive in and find out which Linux distro actually deserves a spot on your PC or handheld gaming setup. What is Bazzite? Bazzite is built on Fedora Atomic and is designed as a gaming-focused, immutable operating system. Think of it like a Steam OS alternative, but with more freedom and customization, without locking you into Valve's ecosystem. Bazzite comes ready for gaming out of the box. It includes pre-installed GPU drivers, Proton, and Wine support for Windows games. Performance tweaks already optimized, excellent support for handhelds like the Steam Deck, Asus ROG Ally, and Lenovo Legion Go. One of Bazzite's standout features is its immutable design. That means your core system stays safe and tamper-proof, and updates are atomic, meaning if something breaks, you can simply roll back. Apps are installed mainly through Flatpaks and containers, which boost reliability and system stability. Pros of Bazzite: plug and play for gaming, very stable and secure, perfect for Linux beginners. Amazing Steam Deck support. Automatic game optimizations. Cons of Bazzite: less flexibility due to immutability. Power users might feel limited by Flatpak only software options, not ideal for heavy system customization. What is CachyOS? Now, if you love raw speed and control, CachyOS might be your dream distro. It's based on Arch Linux, but unlike vanilla Arch, CachyOS brings serious performance engineering. Here's what makes it special. Comes with a Bohr scheduler patch kernel for smooth responsiveness even under heavy load. Packages are compiled for x86-64-v3/v4 instructions, which means it squeezes extra performance from modern CPUs, offers CPU-specific builds, especially optimized for AMD Ryzen and Intel chips. Consistently beats other distros in benchmark tests, faster compile times, snappier desktop, and better FPS in games. CachyOS also stays close to the Arch philosophy. You get rolling updates, modern packages, and full system control. But unlike Arch, installation is beginner-friendly thanks to a guided installer. Pros of CachyOS: one of the fastest Linux distros available. Extremely customizable, CPU-optimized builds. Great for power users and developers. Arch-based ecosystem. Cons of CachyOS: not beginner-friendly. Some manual configuration required. Gaming works great, but requires setup. Handheld gaming support is still in early development. Which one is better? It depends entirely on your use case. Feature Bazzite, CachyOS best for gaming and Steam Deck. Performance and power users, ease of use, super beginner friendly. Requires Linux knowledge, stability, very stable, depends on user setup. Gaming plug and play requires setup, customization limited, extremely customizable. If your priority is gaming with zero hassle, go for Bazzite. It just works straight out of the box and gives you a console-like experience with PC freedom. If you want maximum speed and control and you're not afraid of learning Linux deeply, then CachyOS is the winner. It's built for performance addicts who love to tweak and optimize. So, which is better overall? For most people, especially gamers, Bazzite is the better choice. It delivers a smoother, more stable, and frustration-free experience. But if you're an advanced user who wants ultimate control and system power, CachyOS is unbeatable. So that's our comparison of the CachyOS versus Bazzite. Which one would you choose and why? Let me know in the comments. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more Linux and tech comparisons, and I'll see you in the next one.